Okay, so check it out. Found out today that this thing was completely full of water. It wasn't working. That's our problem right there. This is a lid switch. It's like a safety device to make sure that you don't get your arm ripped off when the thing is spinning. Unfortunately, we needed to get the wash done, so take off these babies. Go inside here. Bit of a bitch. Can't do it with one hand. There we go. Okay. Lift up this lid here, right? There's our issue, this guy. Gotta fix him. Pull this tab out right there. What we want to do, bypass gray and white. So I made this little contraption here. It's just a piece of wire that was some shit laying around. So here's what we're going to do. On to part two. So basically what I did, I took that little piece of wire that you saw earlier, and I jumped this white one to that gray one using this little piece of wire right there. Right? Got it? So, once that's in place, just shut the whole thing back down again. There's little couplings that go in here, and they have little spaces that you gotta like get each little bit in, but then just put a screw in here, put a screw in there, clips go back on, and looky there, washer spins. Pretty great, huh?